There aren't a lot of options out there, but it is possible and it is comfortable for me. I know a lot of people like to use NinjaTrader, TradeOvate, even TradingView, other platforms like that. But for me, I love trading on MetaTrader 5 because obviously I have that app where I can just check my trades, close everything, just do what I want, do what I've been doing on forex. Okay guys, so now you can trade futures on MT5, and I'm gonna put you guys on to which brokers I'm using in 2024 to trade futures. Let's get it. Okay guys, so this is one of the brokers that I'm using. It's called Ironbeam. This is a regulated broker where you're allowed to trade futures and MT5. As you guys can see here, MT5 trading platform supports automated trading, do your back testing, everything that you guys can do on MetaTrader, you can do here on Ironbeam and trade futures. So I'm allowed to use my bots on this broker. You guys can see here, it's an industry leading broker, and you have 24/7 live support. And what I like about this platform is it's free. Other platforms like NinjaTrader and I believe TradeOvate, they make you pay monthly just for their data to be able to trade the futures. So here you don't have to pay anything, and you can just get started trading by just depositing. Also, what I like here is that there's no minimum. So I'm gonna show you guys another broker where there is a minimum. A lot of these futures brokers actually do have a minimum deposit, but this one does not. So anybody can get started trading futures with $100, just how I did. So I do recommend signing up for this broker. I recommend signing up for all the brokers that I'm gonna recommend in this video, to be honest, because you never know which one you're gonna like the most. Plus, there aren't a lot of futures brokers out there that support MetaTrader 5 right now. So why not just sign up for all of them so you have them all in your back pocket. Another futures broker that we have right now is Optimus. So Optimus does support MetaTrader 5 as well. You guys can see here, all you have to do is go here, click your live account, and get set up the same way you would any other broker. All these brokers, they have their own trading platform, and you can just go ahead, deposit, and trade on their own platform. But like I said, I like to use MetaTrader 5 because that's what I'm used to. So I'm glad that they support MetaTrader 5. They support TradingView as well if you want to integrate with TradingView. But they support many different platforms, which is why I love these brokers that are regulated. You can see they support automated trading, mobile trading. They also support a bunch of other trading platforms. So any of these platforms that you may want to use, maybe you want to use TradingView and trade right from TradingView, that's awesome as well. Just a platform that you're used to. But obviously, like I said, I love to use my bots, which is why I get started with the MetaTrader platform. But they have a whole bunch of platforms here that they do support. So this is a great broker. Now let me tell you guys a little bit about the sign up process for all this. So signing up for a futures broker is easy, but it's definitely much different from signing up for any forex broker that we've used in the past. I want to give you guys these brokers, and I want you guys to sign up as fast as you can because it took me about 2 weeks just to get started trading on these futures brokers. I first signed up. There are a bunch of documents that you got to read through and sign. It's about like 15 different documents that you have to sign. It's not like Forex where you sign up, you verify your identity with your photo ID or whatever, and then you deposit in crypto and you can trade the same day. No, this is a regulated broker, so you have to sign all these documents, right? And then after you sign the documents, you have to connect your actual bank account with the broker. So you connect your bank account with the broker, but then it takes 1 to 3 business days for them to verify that bank account. And then once your bank account is verified, it takes another 1 to 3 business days just for that money to get transferred into that broker. And then once the money transferred into that broker, you then have to wait for them to open up the account for you. So yes, this did take me about 2 weeks just to get started. So I suggest that you guys, sign up immediately and get all those documents and get your bank account connected immediately if you want to start trading as fast as possible. What I love about AMP specifically is you can open up a demo account on MetaTrader even before you have your account open. So if you wanted to see their trading conditions and test a bot or whatever you want to do, you can go on the MetaTrader terminal and search up AMP, and you can open a demo account with them. And what I love about trading futures is The futures demos trading conditions is exactly the same if you were to trade on live. There's nothing extra going on the live account. There's no manipulation, none of that, like there is in forex. So you can accurately backtest and practice your trading strategies on a demo. This is another futures broker called Trade Pro Futures, and they're great too. And they allow MetaTrader 4 and they allow MetaTrader 5 and they allow TradingView and all those other platforms that are great. Only thing is, look at their minimum requirements. For forex, minimum requirement is 2,500, and for futures, the minimum requirement is 5,000. So obviously, not everybody wants to trade with $5,000 for the first time trading futures. Especially, this is something that you don't know, you're not familiar with. You don't really want to get started with this broker right now. Just drop 5,000 to trade futures. It doesn't make sense. So I suggest that you start with the other brokers like AMP or Ironbeam, brokers that don't have large minimum requirements or minimum requirements at all. Once you get familiar with futures, or if you want to use them as a broker for forex, you can definitely use them and get started with them. One thing about these brokers is if you are interested on the business side or the affiliate side of things, where you can make money referring people to these brokers, they don't have no affiliate systems. You know, I've looked, and I guess that's why so many people do not really refer people to these brokers that support MetaTrader 5, because they don't have any affiliate system. So it's kind of just like, if you know, you know. But yeah, I just want to give you guys that information as well, just in case any of you guys were interested. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe to this video if you got some value from this video. I'm about to come out with more courses on futures. Think about when you first started learning forex and you first started learning about what a pip is. We're about to get down to the nitty-gritty, what a contract is, you know, what pairs is the best pairs to trade on futures. We're about to get into strategies, the whole nine, guys. So make sure that you subscribe so you guys can get all this knowledge that I'm about to drop on you guys. I'm gonna make sure that you guys are masters at manually trading futures, because it's really all the same thing as forex. It's just different executions and different ways you want to manage your trade. So make sure that you like and subscribe if you're interested in learning how to master futures. If you're interested in automation with futures, because more automation with futures is coming very soon. So I'll catch you guys on the next one. I'm out.